Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy and delicious shrimp and kale stuffed mushrooms. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make and yet it's packed full of amazing flavor. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like and share this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing I have here is my Portobello Mushroom Caps that has been cleaned and the gills removed. And I also have some raw shrimp, and I'll be seasoning my shrimp and my mushroom with some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper. I'll add in some paprika just because I like it. And I'll also add some minced garlic to my shrimp. So I'm going to give my shrimp a really good mix, and then I'll let it marinate for around about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, that's all you need. So after about 5 minutes, I went ahead and added my kale, my cooked bacon bits, jalapeño, grated Parmesan cheese, grated Mozzarella cheese, and then I seasoned with some salt and some extra pepper. So once I had my salt and pepper in there, I went ahead and gave my stuffing a really good mix. Guys, you want to make sure it is mixed properly and everything is perfectly combined. And once that happens, you can go ahead and start scooping that stuffing into your mushroom caps. Guys, I'm telling you, this entire thing takes less than 30 minutes to prepare and to cook. It is a very quick dinner and it is so worth it. It tastes so good. The blend of the flavors from the garlic, from the shrimp and the kale and the bacon bits, it is amazing, guys. You definitely need to try this one. So this is me scooping and scooping and scooping everything into my mushroom caps. Guys, remember, when you cook your mushrooms, it's going to shrink. So try not to overstuff it, because if you overstuff it, then some of the stuffing might fall off when your mushroom shrinks during the cooking process. So keep that at the back of your mind and do not overstuff your mushrooms. So once I have my mushrooms all stuffed, I'm going to go ahead and top it up with some extra grated cheese. So when I cook this, the cheese is going to melt down and it's going to look so pretty. So today I'm going to be cooking my mushrooms in my air fryer, and I'm going to be cooking it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for around about 12 minutes. Just 12 minutes. Just 12 minutes and this is done. So after 12 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. Perfectly golden and brown. My shrimp has been cooked. It is delicious and it smells so good. So I served it up with some lemon wedges and I garnished with some parsley, put some extra bacon on there because, you know, you can never have too much bacon. And I squeezed some lemon juice on top of it just to brighten up all the flavors. And guys, I dug right in. I'm telling you, this tastes so good. For such a simple dish, the flavors are unbelievable. You need to try this one, guys. You definitely need to try this one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when I post new videos. And guys, like and share this video with your friends and your family. And of course, leave comments in the comment section down below to let me know if there is any recipe you'd like to see me try. I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.